How to pay with McDonald's gift card on app. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the channel. If you are in the mood for a Mickey D's, then I'm going to show you how you can pay with your gift card on your app. So you can't actually pay with a gift card when you are ordering on the app, but this is how you go about actually using your gift cards. So as you can see over here, I've got a bunch of gift cards, and when you first download the app, they give you a bunch of free stuff. So the catch is they give you a time limit to actually redeem it in. So over here it says hello newbie. I'm going to open it up, and once you tap on it, it gives you 2 minutes to activate it. So you can either tap on in restaurant or drive through, and it gives you a code or a QR code. And basically what you do is when you pay, you give the person that you're paying this code, or you have the in restaurant person that is taking your order scan that QR code, and there we go. Now it can't be used anymore. So if I want to go in there again, it's not going to allow me to use it again because I have actually only had my 2 minutes to redeem it. So over here it says redeem today's deal in store. So once I tap that, you can see over here the requirements is to log in. It must be on a Sunday apparently, and then it's a repeating offer. So you can tap on redeem, and now this one only gives you 1 minute. So you have to now tap activate only when you're about to pay. So once you tap on activate, you must make sure that you're standing at the till, because you can't still be in line. You don't know how long it's going to take for you to actually get to the till and make your payment, or get to the window that you are having to make your payment in the drive-through for. So now you're going to go ahead, give this QR code to the person that you're making payment to, and there you go. It'll then go on and be taken off or be removed from your order that you're placing. I hope this was helpful. If it was, don't forget to drop a comment and enjoy your Mickey D's. Cheers.